Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites: app-level permissions and background access. Open your phone settings, find Telegram, and make sure notifications, sound, and lock screen visibility are enabled. Once done, go to data usage and allow background data so messages can arrive when the app is not open. Also, disable battery optimization for Telegram. Otherwise, the system may suspend the app. These steps let the app receive push events reliably and are the foundation before deeper troubleshooting. Next, dive into Telegram itself. Open settings, right arrow notifications and sounds, ensure global and chat-specific notifications are enabled, and check exceptions for muted chats. Then inspect system settings, confirm Do Not Disturb is off, system notification volume is up, and notification categories for Telegram are not silenced. Make sure Telegram is updated, clear the app cache to remove stale data, and restart the phone to re-establish push connections. These middle steps resolve most complex conflicts. To finish, perform decisive actions. If notifications still fail, uninstall and reinstall Telegram to renew app certificates, or try the stable versus beta build to see if a release bug is the cause. You should also log out and log back in to refresh push tokens on the server. Once done, test notifications over Wi-Fi and cellular. Make sure your device time and date are correct. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: capture a short screen video of settings and errors before contacting support so you can show exact behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.